Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop rolling from the valley to the sea. Deep bass humming underneath the dawn. Guitar skank while the birds them sing. Night is fading, morning is calling. Open your heart, healing in the sunrise. First light touch the mountain slowly. Golden colors cross the sky. Morning breeze move through the branches. Bird them wake and start to sing. Me step outside and breathe more deeply. Feel the coolness in the air. Yesterday become a lesson. Today bring another chance. Me don't need to know tomorrow. Me don't need to rush the road. Sunrise never asks the darkness why it stayed so long below. It just rises when the moment and the morning time has come. Me take that lesson with me, knowing brighter days can come. Healing in this sunrise, let the golden light come true. Healing in this sunrise, give your heart a morning new. Oh, rise with the sunrise, let the new day call your name. Breathe beneath the open heavens, leave behind yesterday. Oh, healing in this sunrise, let the good vibration flow. One small step and one more breath. Little by little you can grow. One love, one heart, let the whole world sing along. Healing in this sunrise, keep the spirit strong. Down the village road, them waking, coffee steaming, bread them baking. Farmers heading toward the garden, fishermen prepare the boats. Children laughing near the oasis, morning life begin again. Every person have a purpose, every heart can choose some peace. Grandma standing by the doorway, watching sunlight touch the trees. She say every day a blessing when you learn to notice it. Don't let yesterday define you, don't let worry steal today. Take the lessons from the journey, then continue on your way. If you stumble, pause and breathe, no. If you're tired, take some rest. Life is not a single moment. Keep on giving your best. Rise with the sunrise, let the new day call your name. Breathe beneath the open heavens, leave behind yesterday. Oh, healing in this sunrise, let the good vibration flow. One small step and one more breath. Little by little you can grow. One love, one heart, let the whole world sing along. Healing in the sunrise, keep the spirit strong. River shining through the valley, morning light upon the stream. Mountains standing tall and peaceful, clouds drifting like a dream. Flowers open toward the sunlight, dewdrops sparkle on the grass. Nature never rush the morning, still the day continue past. Me sit beneath the mango tree, no, listen to the leaves above. Every branch move with the breeze, every leaf receive the sun. Me remember healing takes patience, like the garden after rain. You may not see the growth immediately, but the roots are working underneath. Afternoon turn warm and gentle, sunlight shining through the leaves. Children playing near the garden, laughter carried by the breeze. Grandpa tuning old guitar, sweet chords floating through the air. Neighbors share a simple meal, showing no connection matters. Evening comes with softer color, sunset painting all the hills. Me look back up on the morning, see how much the day can hold. Every sunrise is reminder that the story can continue. Every morning bring a doorway, every day can start anew. Healing in this sunrise, let the gentle rhythm play. Healing in this sunrise, give yourself another day. If you need to slow down, slow down. If you need for breathe, breathe deep, breathe deep. If you need for talk, find vibration flow. Tomorrow bring another sunrise, another chance to make a start. We will walk with steady footsteps, keep some patience in the heart. Yesterday can teach me something, but it don't control today. We can choose a better rhythm, we can choose a kinder way. If somebody need encouragement, we will share some positive energy. If somebody feel discouraged, we will remind them hope still matters. Cause the world can use more patience, more respect and understanding. When we lift each other forward, every sunrise feels more bright. Healing in the sunrise, let the golden light come true. Healing in the sunrise, give your heart a morning you. Rise with the sunrise, let the new day call your name. Breathe beneath the open heavens, leave behind yesterday. Healing in the sunrise, let the good vibration flow. One small step and one more breath, little by little you can grow. One love, one heart, let the whole world sing along. Healing in the sunrise, keep the spirit strong. Healing in the sunrise, from the mountain to the sea, yeah. One drop rolling from the valley to the sea. Yeah man, one drop rolling from the valley to the sea. The bass humming underneath the dam. Guitar a skank while the birds them sing. Night is fading, morning is calling. Open your heart, healing in the sunrise. First light touch the mountain slowly, golden colors across the sky. Morning breeze move through the branches, bird them wake and start to sing. We step outside and breathe more deeply, feel the coolness in the air. Yesterday become a lesson, today bring another chance. Me don't even know tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration, one drop rolling beneath the moonlight. Sweet guitar a skank, one bass moving slow. This one is for the love that brings peace when the world gets loud. Your love is my healing. When the morning sun comes shining, I can feel your warmth nearby. Like a gentle breeze through palm trees, you bring sunshine to my life. When the road become uncertain and the day don't feel so bright, just the thought of your sweet kindness makes the darkness feel like light. You don't need no fancy promise, you don't need no golden crown, just the way you always listen when the whole world gets too loud. Every word you speak so softly, every smile you freely give, makes me thankful for the journey, makes me glad we truly live. Your love is my healing, your kindness keeps me strong. When I feel like I am drifting, your gentle heart brings me home. Your love is my healing, like sunshine after rain. You appear above us, and the moonlight fills the sea. I will count the little moments that you bring so naturally. Love don't always need a trumpet. Sometimes love is simply there, in a patient conversation, in the way somebody cares. Your love is my healing, like sunshine after rain. You bring peace into my spirit, you bring joy into my days. Your love is my healing, like a river to the sea. Every moment spent beside you feels like where I'm meant to be. One heart, one rhythm, two souls beneath the sky. Your love is my healing, a blessing in my life. If the morning brings us changes, we can face them patiently. If the road become a mountain, we can walk it carefully. I don't need a perfect story, I just want a truthful song. Something built on understanding, something steady, something strong. Through the seasons, through the weather, through the sunshine and the rain, I will cherish every lesson that our journey brings again. Every chapter has a meaning, every moment has a place, and the greatest gift is knowing love can grow with time and grace. Sometimes life becomes so busy, everybody rushing fast, but when I hear your voice so calmly, all the noise becomes the past. You remind me to be grateful for the little things I see. Morning birds and evening breezes, simple moments, you and me. No diamond could replace it, no treasure could compare. A heart that gives compassion is a gift beyond compare. So I sing this roots vibration, with the ocean as my choir, with the moon above the water and the stars becoming fire. Your love, like the rain upon the garden, like the breeze across the sea. Your love brings a quiet comfort, your love gives strength to me. When the road gets long, keep the rhythm strong. When the night feels cold, let the good love hold. No rush, no fear, just patience, just care. Let the bassline roll, let the guitar play, let the sweetest kind of love guide us every day. Tomorrow when the sunrise comes, I will greet it with a smile, knowing every new beginning can be beautiful in time. If the world become uncertain, we can choose a peaceful way. Love can be a steady lantern when we walk into the day. So I give thanks for your presence, for the laughter and the care, for the little acts of kindness, for the moments that we share. May our hearts keep understanding, may our friendship keep on growing, like a tree beside the river, with its branches always reaching. Your love is my healing, your kindness keeps me strong. When I feel like I am drifting, your gentle heart brings me home. Your love is my healing, like sunshine after rain. You bring peace into my spirit, you bring joy into my days. Your love is my healing, like a river to the sea. Every Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. Hey. One drop rolling through the clouds. Deep bass moving like thunder far away. Guitar skank beneath the rainfall. Sometimes the rain come to refresh the earth. Sometimes a quiet moment refresh the heart. Healing in the rain. In the rain. Oh. Dark clouds gather over the hillside. Cool wine moving through the trees. First raindrop touch the rooftop. Then the rain falls steady. Me stand beneath the veranda. Listen to the rhythm and the ting. Every drop become a drum beat. Let the peaceful sound begin. Garden drink the water slowly. Dry earth start to breathe again. Flowers bend beneath the raindrops. Then they rise when clouds move on. Nature never fear the changing. Every season have a reason. Me take that lesson to me heart now. Knowing life can change like weather. Healing on the rain. Let the cool drops clear the way. Healing on the rain. Give your heart another day. Rain falls softly, wash the dust from off the road. Let the rhythm ease the spirit. Let the heart release the load. Healing in the rain. Let the good vibration flow. Like the river finding pathways. Little by little you can grow. One love, one heart. Let the whole world sing along. Healing in the rain. Oh, keep the spirit strong. Down the village road, get quieter. People shelter from the rain. Children watch the water running, making rivers in the lane. Grandma sitting by the window, warm cup resting in her hand. She said, rain can make things clearer when you learn to understand. She said, don't expect each morning to arrive with perfect skies. Some days carry heavy clothes, still the sunlight waits behind. Give yourself some room to breathe, no. Give yourself some room to learn. Every season have a purpose. Every weather change can turn. Me listen to the rain around me, feel the rhythm in the roof. Sometimes quiet observations can remind you what is true. Rain falls softly, wash the dust from off the road. Let the rhythm ease your spirit. Let the heart release the load. Healing on the rain. Let the good vibration flow. Like the river finding pathways. Little by little you can grow. One love, one heart. Let the whole world sing along. Healing in the rain. Keep the spirit strong. Raindrops sparkle on the mango leaves. Water running from the trees. Fresh scent rise up from the earth now. Carried gently by the breeze. River swelling through the valley, moving toward the distant sea. Everything begins to brighten when the clouds finally release. Me walk after rain start falling, see the sunlight breaking through. Rainbow stretching over mountains, painting every shade anew. Me remember healing can be gradual, like the ground after the rain. You may not notice every change, but the roots are growing underneath. Evening sky become more golden, clouds begin to drift apart. Grandpa tune him old guitar,
green fragrance, moonlight shining on the lane. Me look up and give thanks softly for the beauty after rain. Every storm can teach you patience, every cloud can move along. What feels heavy in one moment doesn't have to last forever. Healing in all the rain, let the gentle rhythm play. Healing in all the rain, take your time and trust the day. If you need to slow down, slow down. If you need to breathe, breathe deep. If you need to talk, find somebody who can listen and bring peace. Carry love, carry hope, carry kindness wherever you go. Let there be a sign, tell the story, let the good vibration flow. Morning rise with fresh green colors, raindrops shining in the sun, bird them singing from the treetop. New day slowly has begun. We step outside with fresh intention, feel the coolness in the air. Yesterday become a lesson, today bring another chance. If somebody need encouragement, we will share some positive energy. If somebody feel discouraged, we will remind them hope still matters. Cause the world can use more patience, more respect and understanding. When we stand beside each other, even rainy days feel lighter. Healing in all the rain, let the cool drops clear the way. Healing in all the rain, give your heart another day. Oh, rain falls softly, wash the dust from off the road. Let the rhythm ease the spirit, let the heart release the load. Rain falls softly, wash the dust from off the road. Let the rhythm ease your spirit, let the heart release the load. Healing in all the rain, let the good vibration flow like.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae love vibration, one drop rolling underneath the stars. Sweet guitar a skank, deep bass moving slow. Tonight we sing about a love that gives us hope. Love will carry us home. When the morning light comes shining and the whole world starts to wake, I can feel a little blessing in every step we choose to take. When the road becomes uncertain and the clouds cover the sky, we can walk with patient footsteps, keep some hope and let it guide. Your smile bring a little sunshine, your kindness calm the day. Every simple conversation makes the worries fade away. Love don't need a grand beginning, sometimes it grows quietly through the little acts of caring that mean everything to me. Hold on to the good love, let the gentle rhythm flow. When the road becomes a long one, we can take it nice and slow. Love will carry us home through the sunshine and the rain. When the road is getting longer, we will find our way again. Love will carry us home like the river to the sea. With a little faith and kindness, there's a brighter place to be. One love, one heart, let the sweet vibration roll. Oh, love will carry us home, keep the music in our soul. We can walk beside the ocean, hear the waves upon the shore, watch the sunset in the water, feel the evening breeze One peaceful moment underneath the lights. When the stars appear above us and the moon begins to glow, we can talk about our dreams, now let the quiet moments flow. Every journey has its seasons, every heart has room to grow. With respect and understanding, love can find a steady road. Love will carry us home, through the sunshine and the rain. When the road is getting longer, we will find our way again. Love will carry us home, like the river to the sea. With a little faith and kindness, there's a brighter place to be. One love, one heart, let the sweet vibration roll. Love will carry us home, keep the music in our soul. Sometimes days become demanding and the world can move too fast, but a little understanding can make difficult moments pass. So we listen, we encourage, we give patience when we can. Every heart deserves compassion, every person needs a friend. Like a tree beside the river, roots grow deeper with the rain. Love becomes a stronger shelter when we learn from every change. Not because the road is perfect, not because we never fall, but because we choose forgiveness and keep kindness through it all. Evening settle on the village, golden light across the lane. Grandpa playing old guitar now, soft notes floating through the rain. Children laughing by the garden, never sharing stories too. All the simple sounds around us make the whole night feel brand new. I look up into the heavens, see the stars above the trees. I give thanks for every moment, every smile and every breeze. Life can change from day to day now, but some values stay the same. Love and kindness, hope and patience, these can light the darkest way. Love will carry us, love will carry us, love will carry us. When the road is long, keep the heartbeat strong. When the night is cold, keep the hope close. No rushing, no pretending, just kindness, understanding. Let me be a sign, roll, let the guitar sing. Let the good vibration bring peace to everything. Ha, 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 ha. Tomorrow bring another sunrise, another chapter to begin. We can leave behind the worry and keep all the good within. Every day can bring a lesson, every moment can inspire. Love can be a gentle rhythm that keeps hope becoming bright. So me sing this song for everyone who believes in something true, that the smallest act of kindness can make somebody's day brand new. Let compassion be the language, let respect become the way. And wherever life may lead us, let love guide us through the day. Hold on to the good love, let the gentle rhythm flow. When the road becomes a long one, we can take it nice and slow. Love will carry us soul, through the sunshine and the rain. When the road is getting longer, we will find our way again. Love will carry us home, like the river to the sea. With a little faith and kindness, there's a brighter place to be. One love, one heart, let the sweet vibration roll. Love will carry us home, keep the music in our soul. Love will carry us home, one step at a time. A sunrise coming, ocean rolling, bassline moving. Keep the kindness, keep the hope, keep the love. One heart, one rhythm. Love will carry us home. Yeah man, love will carry us home, one step at a time. Sunrise coming, roots reggae love vibration. One drop rolling underneath the stars, sweet guitar a skunk, deep bass moving slow. Tonight we sing about a love that gives us hope. carry us home. When the morning light comes shining and the whole world starts to wake, I can feel a little blessing in every step we choose to take. When the road become uncertain and the clouds cover the sky, we can walk. Forever starts with you. Yeah, man. Roots reggae love vibration. One drop rolling beneath the evening sky. Sweet guitar a skank, deep bass moving slow. When love bring light into ordinary days, when one smile can change the whole atmosphere. Forever starts with you. Morning sunlight through the curtains, bird them singing in the trees. I wake up with a grateful feeling, carried softly by the breeze. Every day can hold a blessing, every hour can be new. But the sweetest part of morning is remembering there is you. You bring kindness to the little things, warmth into the simplest days. When the world become confusing, you can help me find the way. No need for just perfection, no need for paint the sky with gold. Sometimes love is just a promise to keep caring as we grow. Forever starts with you. Like the sunrise starts the day, every moment feels more beautiful when love guides the way. Forever starts with you, and the rhythm feels brand new. Through the sunshine, through the rain, I would choose the road again. Forever starts with you. Like the river meets the blue, every heartbeat, every dream feels a little brighter too. One love, one heart, let the sweet vibration through. Every chapter, every season, forever starts with you. We can walk beside the ocean, hear the waves roll to the shore, watch the sunset in the heavens, feel the evening breeze once more. We can talk about tomorrow, we can laugh about today. Simple moments become treasures when we share them on the way. Stars begin to fill the darkness, moonlight shining on the sea. I can feel the quiet beauty of a moment meant to be. Love is not about perfection, it is patience, care and trust. It is choosing understanding when the easy road is lost. Forever starts with you, and the rhythm feels brand new. Through the sunshine, through the rain, I would choose the road again. Forever starts with you. Like the river meets the blue, every heartbeat, every dream feels a little brighter too. One love, one heart, let the sweet vibration through. Every chapter, every season, forever starts with you. When the road becomes a mountain and the clouds cover the sky, we can take the journey slowly, keep some hope and let it guide. Every season brings a lesson, every chapter has a page. Love can grow through understanding, love can turn the fear to courage. Like the tree beside the river, roots get stronger through the rain. Like the flowers after morning dew, beauty comes alive again.
find a better way. Evening settles on the village, golden light across the road. Grandpa playing old guitar now, sweet chords carrying the breeze. Children laughing by the garden, neighbors sharing food and smiles. Life becomes a little sweeter when we stop and stay a while. I look up into the heavens, see the stars above the trees. I give thanks for every moment, every laugh and every breeze. If tomorrow brings us changes, we will meet them as they come. Love can be a steady rhythm when the road becomes unknown. Forever starts with you. Let the bassline roll, no rushing, no fear, just patience, just care. If the road gets long, keep the heartbeat strong. If the light gets cold, keep the good love close. Let the guitar sing softly, let the moonlight shine through. Every gentle melody brings me back to you. Tomorrow bring another sunrise, another chance we understand, another moment we be grateful, another chance we lend a hand. Yesterday can teach us wisdom, but tomorrow still can shine. Love becomes a lasting garden when we give it care and time. So I sing this song for love now, for the people holding hope. May compassion guide the journey, may kindness help us cope. May the world become more gentle, may respect become the way, and may every heart remember there is beauty in today. Forever starts with you, like the sunrise starts the day. Every moment feels more beautiful when love guides the way. Forever starts with you, and the rhythm feels brand new. Through the sunshine, through the rain, I would choose the road again. Forever starts with you, like the river meets the blue. Every heartbeat, every dream feels a little brighter too. Forever starts with you, forever starts with you. Sweet love, good love, sunrise coming, ocean rolling, bassline humming. One day, one dream, one beautiful journey. One love, one heart. Ooh.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae, low vibration. One drop rolling underneath the stars. Sweet guitarist skank, deep bass moving slow. Tonight we sing about a love that gives us hope. Love will carry us home. Yeah. When the morning light comes shining and the whole world starts to wake, I can feel a little blessing in every step we choose to take. When the road become uncertain and the clouds cover the sky, we can walk with patient footsteps, keep some hope and let it guide. Your smile bring a little sunshine, your kindness calm the day. Every simple conversation makes the worries fade away. Love don't need a grand beginning, sometimes it grows quietly through the little acts of caring that mean everything to me. Hold on to the good love, let the gentle rhythm flow. When the road becomes a long one, we can take it nice and slow. Love will carry us home through the sunshine and the rain. When the road is getting long We can walk beside the ocean, hear the waves upon the shore, watch the sunset paint the water, feel the evening breeze once more. No need for chase tomorrow, no need for rush tonight. Sometimes love is simply sharing one peaceful moment underneath the light. When the stars appear above us and the moon begins to glow, we can talk about our dreams now. Let the quiet moments flow. Every journey has its seasons, every heart has room to grow. With respect and understanding, love can find a steady road. Oh, love will carry us home through the sunshine and the rain. When the road is getting longer, we will find our way again. Love will carry us home like the river to the sea. With a little faith and kindness, there's a brighter place to be. One love, one love, let the sweet vibration roll. Oh, love will carry us home, keep the music in our soul. Sometimes days become demanding and the world can move too fast, but a little understanding can make difficult moments pass. So we listen, we encourage, we give patience when we can. Every heart deserves compassion, every person needs a friend. Like a tree beside the river, roots grow deeper with the rain. Love becomes a stronger shelter when we learn from every change. Not because the road is perfect, not because we never fall, but because we choose forgiveness and keep kindness through it all. Evenings settle on the village, golden light across the lane. Grandpa playing old guitar now, soft notes floating through the rain. Children laughing by the garden, neighbors sharing stories too. All the simple sounds around us make the whole night feel brand new. I look up into the heavens, see the stars above the trees. I give thanks for every moment, every smile and every breeze. Life can change from day to day now, but some values stay the same. Love and kindness, hope and patience, these can light the darkest way. Love will carry us, love will carry us. When the road is long, keep the heartbeat strong. When the night is cold, keep the hope close. No rushing, no pretending, just kindness, understanding. Let the bassline roll, let the guitar sing, let the good vibration bring peace to everything. Tomorrow bring another sunrise, another chapter to begin. We can leave behind the worry and keep all the good within. Every day can bring a lesson, every moment can inspire. Love can be a gentle rhythm that keeps hope becoming brighter. So me sing this song for everyone who believes in something true, that the smallest act of kindness can make somebody's day brand new. Let compassion be the language, let respect become the way. And wherever life may lead us, let love guide us through the day. Hold on to the good love, let the gentle rhythm flow. When the road becomes a long one, we can take it nice and slow. Love will carry us home through the sunshine and the rain. Oh, when the road is getting longer, we will find our way again. Love will carry us, love will carry us home like the river to the sea. Oh, with a little faith and kindness, there's a brighter place to be. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Roots reggae love vibration. One drop rolling beneath the morning sky. Sweet guitar a skank through the breeze. Deep bass moving warm and slow. When love arrives with kindness, even an ordinary morning can feel like a celebration. You bring sunshine to my soul. Morning sunlight cross the mountain, golden colors fill the land. Bird them singing from the treetop, fresh breeze moving through the pond. I step outside and feel the rhythm. Hear the world begin to rise. Then I think about your kindness, and the sunshine fills my eyes. You bring warmth into the simple, make the little moments shine. Like the first light on the ocean, like the stars at nighttime. Every word you speak with patience leaves a peaceful feeling near. And the heart can feel much lighter when it knows that someone cares. You bring sunshine to my soul, like the morning brings the day. When the clouds begin to gather, you can brighten up the way. You bring sunshine to my soul. You bring warmth into my heart. Every time your kindness reaches me, a brighter day can start. You bring sunshine to my soul, like the moonlight on the sea. Every little moment of your goodness brings some peaceful energy. One love, one heart, let the sweet vibration start. Through the sunshine and the rain, you bring sunshine once again. We can walk beside the shoreline, hear the waves roll to the sand. Watch the sunset paint the water, feel the evening breeze again. We can talk about the future, share the dreams we hope to see. Sometimes just a simple moment can become a memory. When the moon appears above us, stars begin to fill the sky. Palm leaves moving with the night wind. Clouds are slowly drifting by. Love can live in conversation. Love can live in quiet care. Love can be the simple feeling that somebody will be there. You bring sunshine to my soul. You bring warmth into my heart. Every time your kindness reaches me, a brighter day can start. You bring sunshine to my soul, like the moonlight on the sea. Every little moment of your goodness brings some peaceful energy. One love, one heart, let the sweet vibration start. Through the sunshine and the rain, you bring sunshine once again. When the road becomes uncertain and the clouds begin to rise, we can face the changing weather with some patience in our eyes. Every journey has its seasons, every season has a song. When compassion leads the rhythm, we can find the strength to move along. Like the roots beneath the garden, growing deeper through the rain. Good connection grows with patience. Through the sunshine and the change, no need
through the trees. Grandpa playing old guitar now, sweet notes floating with the breeze. Children laughing near the garden, neighbors sharing stories too. Every little sound around me brings a gentle thought of you. Stars appear across the heavens, moonlight resting on the sea. I give thanks for all the moments filled with warmth and harmony. Life can change from day to day now, but the good things can remain. Like the sunlight after rainfall, hope can rise again and again. You bring sunshine, you bring light, you bring light. Let the bassline roll beneath us, let the guitar sing tonight. Like the rain upon the garden, like the breeze among the trees. Love can bring a quiet comfort, love can bring a sense of peace. No rushing, no fear, keep the good vibration near. Every kindness is a candle, every smile can be a song. When we share some warmth together, we can help this spirit strong. Tomorrow bring another sunrise, another chapter to begin. Maybe new roads wait before us, maybe new adventures start. But the love we build with patience can become a guiding light, like the stars that keep on shining through the deepest part of night. So I sing this song for everyone who believes in love and care. May compassion guide our footsteps, may we always learn to share. May the world become more gentle, may the rhythm carry on. May the sunshine in our spirits keep on shining through the dawn. You bring.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae love vibration. Whoa. One drop rolling beneath the midnight sky. Sweet guitar, a skank beside the sea. Deep bass moving warm and slow. Stars above, ocean below, and a beautiful love written between them. Your love is written in the stars. Yeah. Morning comes across the hillside, golden light begin to glow. Bird them singing from the treetops, cool breeze moving soft and slow. I remember all the moments when your kindness crossed my way. Like a little ray of sunshine, you brought brightness to the day. There is something in your laughter, something peaceful in your voice. When the world become confusing, you remind me to rejoice. Love don't need a perfect story, love don't need a grand parade. Sometimes two caring hearts together make a beautiful serenade. Hey, your love is written in the stars, like a promise in the sky. Every time I see the moonlight, I remember you nearby. Your love is written in the stars,
Shining brighter than the moon,
like a melody from heaven.
like a sweet and gentle tune.
Your love is written in the stars,
Every night and every day,
through the sunshine and the rainfall.
your kindness lights the way.
One love, one heart, let the sweet vibration start underneath the endless can walk beside the ocean, hear the waves against the shore, watch the sunset paint the water, see the colors come alive. No need to rush the evening, let the peaceful moments stay. Sometimes love becomes more precious when we slow down for the day. When the stars appear above us and the moonlight fills the sea, I can hear the night wind whisper something warm and sweet to me. Maybe love is in the silence, maybe love is in the care, maybe every little moment says somebody's always there. Your love is written in the stars,
Shining brighter than the moon,
like a melody from heaven.
like a sweet and gentle tune.
Your love is written in the stars,
Every night and every day,
through the sunshine and the rainfall.
your kindness lights the way.
One love, one heart, let the sweet vibration start. Underneath the endless heavens, your love lives inside my heart. When the road becomes uncertain and the clouds begin to rise, we can face the changing weather with some patience in our eyes. Every journey has its seasons, every season has a song. Love becomes a stronger rhythm when we learn to carry on. Like the roots beneath the garden, growing deeper through the rain. Good connection grows with patience through the sunshine and the change. No need for know every answer, no need to see every road. Sometimes taking one step forward helps us carry every load. Evening settle on the village, warm lights glowing through the trees. Grandpa playing old guitar, no sweet chords carried by the breeze. Children laughing near the garden, neighbors sharing stories too. Every little sound around me brings a gentle thought of you. Stars begin to fill the heavens, moonlight resting on the sea. I give thanks for every blessing, every smile and memory. Life can change from day to day now, but the kindness can remain. Like the stars above the ocean, good love shines through every change. Written in the stars, written in the sky. Let the bassline roll beneath us, let the guitar melody fly. Like the moon above the water, like the breeze among the trees. Love can bring a quiet comfort, love can bring a sense of peace. No rushing, no fear, keep the good vibration near. If the road gets long, keep the heartbeat strong. If the night gets cold, keep the hope close. Tomorrow bring another sunrise, another chapter to begin. Maybe new roads wait before us, maybe new adventures start. But the love we build with kindness can become a guiding light, like the stars that keep on shining through the deepest part of night. So I sing this song, feel love now, feel the beauty people share. May compassion guide our footsteps, may we always
vibration, one drop rolling beneath the midnight sky. Sweet guitar scan me sight to see. Deep bass moving on slow, stars above, ocean below.
Only you can make my heart sing. Yeah, man. Roots reggae love vibration, one drop rolling beneath the evening sun. Sweet guitar skank through the breeze, deep bass moving warm and slow. When the heart find a melody it never knew before, everything begins to sound different. Only you can make my heart sing. Morning sunlight through the window, golden colors on the floor, bird them singing from the treetop, fresh breeze knocking at the door. I step outside and feel the morning, hear the rhythm of the street. Then your laughter comes so softly, and the whole day find its beat. You bring brightness to the ordinary, turn a moment into gold. There is comfort in your kindness, there is warmth I cannot hold. Every little conversation leaves a melody behind, like the ocean leaves its rhythm on the shoreline. Every time only you can make my heart sing, like the sunrise bakes the sky. Every time your kindness reaches me, a little brighter feels the light. Only you can make my heart sing, with the rhythm sweet and true. Every morning sounds more beautiful when I hear a thought of you. Only you can make my heart sing, like the ocean meets the shore. Every gentle word and little smile makes me grateful even more. One love, one heart, let the reggae rhythm start through the sunshine and the rainfall. You can make my heart sing. We can walk beside the shoreline, hear the waves roll to the sand, watch the sunset paint the water, feel the evening in the air. Baby, talk about tomorrow, baby, laugh about today. Simple moments turn to memories that never fade away. When the moon appears above us, stars begin to fill the blue. Night breeze moving through the palm trees, carrying a thought of you. Love can live inside the quiet, love can live inside the care. Sometimes just a little kindness can remind us someone cares. Only you can make my heart sing, with a rhythm sweet and true. Every morning sounds more beautiful when I hear a thought of you. Only you can make my heart sing, like the ocean meets the shore. Every gentle word and little smile makes me grateful even more. One love, one heart, let the reggae rhythm start through the sunshine and the rainfall. You can make my heart sing. When the road becomes uncertain and the clouds begin to rise, we can face the changing weather with some patience in our eyes. Every journey has its seasons, every season has a tune, and the heart can keep on singing underneath the changing moon. Like the roots beneath the garden, growing deeper through the rain. Good connection grows with patience through the sunshine and the change. No need for no define a road now, no need for hurry where we go. Take each moment as it comes now. let the good vibration flow. Evening settle on the village, warm lights glowing through the trees. Grandpa playing old guitar now, sweet notes carried by the breeze. Children laughing near the garden, neighbors sharing stories too. In the middle of the music, I remember thoughts of you. Stars are shining over rooftops, moonlight resting on the road. I give thanks for every kindness that can help somebody grow. Life can change from day to day now, but compassion can remain. Like a song that keeps on playing, good love rises once again. Only you, let the bass line roll softly. Let the guitar answer too. Every note become a message of the kindness found in you. No rushing, no fear. Keep the good vibration near, like the rain upon the garden, like the sunlight through the trees. Love can bring a gentle comfort, floating softly on the breeze. Tomorrow bring another sunrise, another chapter to begin. New horizons wait before us, new adventures waiting in. Yesterday can teach us wisdom, tomorrow still can shine. Every little act of kindness can become a guiding light. So I sing this song for people who believe in something true, that the world can feel more beautiful when compassion travels through. May the laughter keep on flowing, may the music carry strong, may the arts we touch with kindness keep the good vibration going. Only you can make my heart sing, like the sunrise makes the sky. Every time your kindness reaches me, a little bright feels the light. Only you can make my heart sing.